everyone, my name is Nikhila. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while now that most of you were asking about the lens that my sister uses for her macro photography shots, which she posts on her Instagram. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing video of the Skyvik Signy 2-in-1 Pro Pocket DSLR kit. So let's check it out. So first things first, I've ordered the Signy 2-in-1 Pro DSLR kit for my sister on her birthday this year. So going further in the video, I'll be sharing with you what's the price of this lens and where did I order it from and is it worth the purchase or not. So here I'm showing you how the outer box looks like. On the back side we have the key features of the lens and what's inside the box, and we also have the Skyvik contact details mentioned on the back side. On the sides we have the product description, basically like the model of the product which we have ordered, so it's mentioned on the outside. So now let's check out the actual box and see what's in there. So this is how the box looks like. It's not only looking classy and elegant, the box is also really very compact to carry your lens wherever you go. Actually, I really love the packaging of this kit. So let's check out what's in this box now. So as soon as you open the box, you'll find a hard carrying case to keep your lens safe and secure. So keeping that aside, let's have a look at the paperwork that we have received first. So firstly, I can see that they have given a feedback kind of a card so that we can share our feedback on the product with them. So they have their email ID and their contact details written on this card. So here we can share our suggestions or feedbacks and everything with them. So keeping this aside, next up we have a thank you card which says thanks for buying the Skyvik products, and they have also mentioned their hashtag MySkyvik where we can tag our photographs with them in the Facebook or Insta as well. On the back side they have the warranty card, so we have to go and register our product within the 15 days from the date of purchase to get the 18 months warranty. And next up they have the instruction manual card. So this is the cool idea that they have not included the manual here, but they have given their YouTube link so that we can go and check out the manual of this lens basically over there. So next up we have the Instagram card, like they have mentioned their Insta hashtag #CWithSigny and all that, so that we can tag our work with them and they'll be sharing our work in their page as well. So next up they have few cards about the products that they have in their website apart from the mobile lens. So these are the mobile holders, like the magnetic mobile holders. All the variants are mentioned over here in this card. So we can also go and check them in their website as well. So next up we have the wireless mobile charging solutions also. So this is for that, and the third card is for the mobile lens which they are famous for. So they have all the variants mentioned over here. So in this I've ordered the 2-in-1 lens kit for my sister, which you'll be seeing in a while now. So you can go and check all these products in their website also. So keeping all this aside, and on the back side of the box it's same like mentioned in the outer box. So now let's open this case and see what's in there. Firstly, I'll be speaking about the quality of this case because every lens should have a good case to keep them safe and secure, like to keep them away from any scratches or so. So I really love the quality of this case. It's very sturdy and the quality is also very good. And next we have the microfiber cleaning cloth to clean our lens frequently whenever it's necessary. So the quality is also good. So now let's get into the lens basically. So in this kit you will be receiving two lenses. One is the super wide angle lens and one is the macro lens. So you will get both of them attached together like this. So to unscrew them you need to rotate it anti-clockwise so that both of them will be separated. And both the lenses have their individual covers like this to prevent them from any scratches or dust. So that's the good part. So firstly I'm showing you the star of the show, the macro lens, which is the 15x macro lens. So you can use this lens to capture any macro shots. So you can get as closer and as detailed shots as possible with this macro lens. Trust me, it is a very good lens, I would say. And next, coming to the super wide angle lens, this is a 0.45x super wide angle lens. So you can use this lens to get any wide angle shots. So if you are planning to get any shot of a monument, if you use this wide angle lens, that would fit into your frame perfectly and you'll be getting a wonderful shot with this wide angle lens. So next we have this universal clip with anti-slip and anti-scratch mat. So this clip is basically to mount this lens to your mobile camera. So you have to screw it to the lens like this, and you need to clip this lens to your mobile camera, making sure the lens is aligned with the mobile camera backside. So if you are planning to use the wide angle lens, so this is how you need to mount the lens. So basically you need to mount the macro lens first and then the wide angle lens. If you are planning to use the wide angle lens, this is how you need to set up your lens. So apart from these, we also have this clip just to attach the lens case to your bag or somewhere else. So I've ordered this lens from the Skyvik website itself. So it's www.skyvik.com. So I've ordered it from there on May 30, 2020, and I've received it on June 3rd, 2020. So it was pretty fast, and there was a coupon available at the time when I've ordered. So I got it for $18.99. So now coming to the review of this product, here we are trying to focus the water droplets on this flower without using lens, by using only the mobile camera itself, and clearly you can see that the water droplets are not being that focused and the background is also not being blurred. So now we'll be mounting the macro lens to our mobile camera and we'll see you in a while with the results. So now that we have mounted the macro lens to the mobile, you can clearly see the difference with and without the lens. So now it's been a while now, like it's been few months that my sister has been constantly using these lenses to capture her macro photography shots. So you can find her profile on Instagram, it's mentioned as Tarani Arutla. And now I'll be sharing few of my sister's work here, like the macro photography shots that she has captured using this lens. And also, if you enjoy photography, please go check out and follow her on Instagram. And the overall review of this product would be, it's definitely worth the purchase if you are really interested in photography, and if you are planning to explore more of a macro photography, then it's really worth each and every penny that you invest into this lens, because you can see the picture quality of this is really awesome. But what I feel is photography is something that requires a lot of patience and a lot of creativity, and if you are really that interested in it, you can definitely go for this lens and you can purchase this. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comment section down below how you like about my sister's work. Thank you so much for watching.